Window strategy. Content area writing strategy. Window strategy TEKS. Social Studies Grade 4. For this window strategy example, I'm going to be using the TEKS from Grade 4 Social Studies, and we're going to describe the impact of the Civil War and Reconstruction on Texas. Window mnemonic device. Window is a mnemonic device that helps students memorize the steps of writing a summary. The W stands for write the main idea. So here I printed out the window steps, and I went ahead and wrote out an example of how I would use this. And for writing the main idea, I wrote that the Civil War impacted the South greatly because the slaves were freed, which affected the crops. Identify important information. Now for the identify important information, this would be actually using your book or whatever resources the student has. It states that they should identify important information by circling the information using a highlighter, or if it's in a book that they cannot write in, you could have them put sticky notes or something to make the important information stand out. For N, number the FRI, facts, resources, and ideas. We're going to take the stuff that we identified in the last stage, and we're going to number it to make it in a chronological order to where we can use this information. D, develop sentences. For develop sentences, you're going to develop the sentences that you want to use based off of the FRI that you had. O, organize sentences using transition words. And then W is write an ending sentence. So my ending sentence was, sharecropping gave the slaves some land if they planted and harvested, yet the South would never be the same now that the slaves were free. So after the students have used window as a way to create a summary, window has a self-check guide. So to self-check, the students are going to use this guide and revise as necessary. So here it asks 7 questions, and the questions are just yes or no. So is my summary shorter than the original? Yes. Did I write the main idea? Yes. Are there facts, reason, and ideas from the author? No. Are sentences written in my own words? Yes. Are sentences organized using transition words? Yes. Did I write an ending sentence? Yes. Is my paper free from punctuation, capitalization, spelling, or grammatical errors? Yes. So I scored 6 out of 7, and the one that I put on here that I missed was the facts, reasons, and ideas from the author. So there was nothing that I cited and used directly from the book, and so something that you would want to teach your students is to use supporting evidence. And so at the bottom I wrote that I needed to add in some facts, reason, and ideas from the author. So I would use this to self-check and go back and revise my own writing before continuing on to the next step and having a peer review or having the teacher review my work. We want to teach them how to self-check. Strengths and benefits include, this study provides support for the use of summarizing strategy, including a mnemonic device which prompts for self-regulation to improve the summary writing, lengths of summaries written, and reading comprehension scores of high school students with disabilities.